Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss our third session of first unit. So, in this session we will see the attribute types. So, there are three different types of attribute, like nominal and binary, ordinal and numeric, distinct versus continuous attributes. So, what is the attribute? So, attribute, it is nothing but a data field that represents the characteristics or features of that data object, right? So for example, the for customer, the object attribute is like customer ID, address, phone number, etc. For student object attributes like student roll number, student percentage, student class, etc. Right? So it can be seen as a data field that represent characteristics or features of data object, right? So we can say that a set of attribute used to describe a given object are known as attribute vector or feature vector, right? So different types of data attributes. So see here, qualitative and quantitative, first of all. So after that, in a qualitative, there is a nominal, ordinal, and binary. In a binary, there is a symmetric and asymmetric data attributes are there. Then in a quantitative, distinct and continuous is there, right? So first of all, qualitative attributes. So in the qualitative attribute, there are nominal, ordinal, and binary, right? First of all, what is the qualitative and quantitative attributes? So quantitative data is information about quantities. So it is measurable. For example, number, right? Numbers are there in a quantitative. Now qualitative data is descriptive, right? And it is like, it is not measures, it is like language, right? So quantitative is measurable and qualitative is not measurable. So it is defined or shown in a particular languages, right? So the first top point in a qualitative attribute, first type is nominal attribute. So nominal attribute is nothing but related to the names. The value of a nominal attribute are name of things, some kind of symbols, right? So the values of nominal attribute represents a category or state, and that's why nominal attribute are also called as categorical attribute, right? So for example, colors. So color, maybe there are different values like black, brown, white, gray, pink, yellow, red, etc. Right? Then categorical data, the particular lecturer, professor, assistant professor. So nominal attributes are that attribute which does not have the particular rank, right? They don't have a particular rank, right? So the example like zip codes, then employee ID numbers, right? So example of attribute, for example, hair color, white, brown, black, right, etc. So the different operations which will be performed on this nominal data is entropy operation, then correlation operation. We can calculate mode of these, then chi-square test, then entropy test, we can perform on this particular database, right? Then next is binary data. Qualitative में है nominal, ordinal, and binary. So binary database. So data, it's having only two states, yes or no, right? Means what? Affected or non-affected, true or false. So the binary attributes having two types. One is symmetric, one is asymmetric. So in a symmetric, both values are equally important, right? And in asymmetric, both values are not equally important. For example, see here, binary data, gender, male and female, right? Now this is the example of symmetric. Why? Because male and female both are equally important, right? And the asymmetric, for example, cancer detected, yes or no. If it outcome is yes, then it is risky, right? But if the report are no, then yeah, खुशी की बात है, right? Likewise, same the result pass failed. If it is pass, then अच्छी बात है, right? That means it is an example of asymmetric. Both values are not equally important, right? This is what the binary attribute. The next is ordinal attribute. The ordinal attribute contains value that have meaningful sequence, right? For example, ranking or order is there. For example, see here grade. So grade may be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like, right? But now A grade is best, मतलब B, उसके बाद C, D, likewise. Then pay scale, right? 16, 17, 18, likewise, right? So it's having a particular different ranks are there, right? It's having order, right? So examples like heat of room heater, again another example like street numbers, heat of room heater, good, better, best, grades, right? So these are the examples. So different operations, like we can calculate rank correlation, median, then percentile. These are the operation we can perform on the ordinal database. So these three are the types of quantitative. Now what is a qualitative? So qualitative is measurable. It is not a measurable. It is not represented in a number. It is represented in like languages, like they're having a particular word, right? So there are two types. One is district and one is continuous, right? So in a numeric attribute is a qualitative because it is measurable quantity represented in a integer or real values, right? So there are two types. One is interval and one is ratio. So what is interval scale attribute? So those attribute which do not have the correct reference points, or we can call it a 0 point, right? So data can be added and subtracted at an interval scale, but cannot be multiplied or divided, right? So for example, temperature in degrees or centigrades, right? So interval scale, temperature in Celsius, calendar dates. So this we cannot, we cannot add and subtract. The operations like mean, standard deviation, we can use in the interval scale, right? Um, each and every date is important, right? So you cannot tell that today आज 1 तारीख है और कल 2 है, राइट? मतलब क्या, आज से एक कल ज्यादा है. यू कैनॉट मेजर दैट डेट्स. कल सेकेंड डेट है तो सेकेंड का कुछ मीनिंग है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द इंटरवल स्केल, right? Then ratio scale, next is ratio scale. So this attribute is numerical attribute with fixed 0 point, right? So the example like range, we can calculate the particular example like temperature in Kelvin, then counts, age, mass, then length, electrical current, etc. are the ratio scale, right? So we can define or we can differentiate the length of one person with the another person, the weight of one person with the another person, then age, right? So the difference is the different operation like geometric mean or percent variation, we can calculate in the ratio scale. So this is the qualitative attributes of numeric type. And then district values, like district data have finite values. So for example, the particular zip code, so different values are there. It is countable, right? And it may be infinite set of values also, right? And these values, the continuous data have infinite in the state. So height, weight, it may be any number, right? So you cannot restrict that particular values, but in a district there is a restrictions, right? So this is what the different different operation in a particular attribute, like we can calculate mean, median, right? Then then particular correlation we can also we can calculate by using continuous and district database district values, right? So this is what all about the session 3, uh, different attributes in a data mining. So in the next session we will discuss the next topic, that is data pre-processing, right? So